Hello everyone, my name is Apurva Jain, a third year graduate student in Yarn Lab. Today I am going to present a poster on my research on synthesis of shape controlled polymer particles using initiated chemical vapor deposition in structured liquids. Synthesis of functional polymer particles with programmable shape has wide-scale applications such as particles in drug delivery, fibers in enhanced electric properties, films in membrane separation, to name a few. ICVD is a single-step vapor-based polymerization technique known for its conformal coating ability. ICVD polymerization in isotropic solvents in the past have resulted in formation of films, gels, and nanoparticles. Liquid crystals, which is a complex fluid, has been previously used as anisotropic templates for directing molecular self-assemblies, reaction rates, and nanofiber-shaped polymer synthesis. However, in all such processes, the mechanism remains unknown, giving us limited shape design control. In our process, we use the experimental setup as shown in figure to polymerize inside structured liquids like liquid crystals. Three different liquid crystal templates were used as shown in the figure at the bottom. With our process, we were able to synthesize nanoparticles, domes, microgel crystals, microspheres, and microdiscs as shown in the figure on top. This is unprecedented, the ability to polymerize same monomer in the same medium into multiple shaped particles. The development of a novel in-house assembly for in situ characterization played a key role in uncovering the mechanism of our process. With three important capabilities of determination of threshold concentration for maintaining liquid crystal templates, ability to observe in situ polymerization, and the real-time monitoring of liquid crystal molecular order, we were able to determine the mechanism of our process of ICVD polymerization in structured liquids, which is shown as the figure on the right. Liquid crystal being a poor solvent leads to the formation of nanospheres in bulk, in contrast to micron-sized spheres in isotropic solvents. These phase-separated nanospheres precipitate to the liquid solid interface at the bottom and forms oligomeric building blocks for further polymerization. The interface enables the nanospheres to further aggregate into clusters directed by the anisotropic elastic stress of the liquid crystal templates, resulting in the formation of templated microgels. This is quantified using image processing as seen in the figure below. These microgels subsequently phase separate to form micron-sized spheres, spheroids, and discs at the last stage. We are further investigating to identify the factors responsible for distinct shapes at this stage. The functionality of this technique is showcased using Raman spectroscopy technique, which indicates that the particles are porous with the ability to encapsulate media during polymerization and release it later on in external solvents. This can be seen by the presence and absence of nitrile peaks from the spectra taken for the same particle before and after release. With this, I would like to thank all the funding agencies and would be happy to connect if anyone has questions. Thank you.